You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce this word yourself? Let me know in the comments, because there are indeed different pronunciations for it. So let's hear them all. You have data, okay, that's used in Britain, in the UK, British English, data. They also say data. That's used in the UK, the US. Now, the Americans also use what's called a flap T, which is pronounced like a D. So some Americans say it as Dayda, which is probably one of the most common pronunciations in the US. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments and where you're from, so we have an idea of who pronounces it how. So you have very different pronunciation. Data, data, data. Some may pronounce it also as data. The Americans, some Americans, data. So data, 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 data. So many different ways. But now you know them all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.